Welcome back to the Azure Files. How you doing, Matt?
Good and you?
Cool, man. I like your tux.
Thanks. Yeah, this is once again, because my heart lies with the open source community.
Not Charlene, eh?
No, not Charlene, the open source community. Cool. So I like tux, one of my favorites. I like your shirt.
Yeah, so empty cup, which kind of like ties into what we're talking about today. Today we're going to be talking about SQL.
Yes.
And if I remember correctly, when you do SQL, you need to have a lot of coffee.
Yeah. I definitely drink a lot of coffee.
Cool. So let's just jump into the question of the week. So Gail in Bloemfontein has a question about SQL. So she loves the show. Thanks, Gail. They're huge fans, and they're wondering about SQL managed instances and if they're better than SQL as a service. So from my understanding, and you can correct me wrong, so we have a traditional way of running SQL. So we have on-prem SQL, which is your tin, Windows, and then your SQL licensing. Right?
Yeah.
Now, what a lot of people do is they kind of just virtualize that hardware and move that into Azure. So you still run virtual tin, Windows license, and then SQL.
Correct.
There's got to be an easy way of doing that.
Yeah, so that is definitely an available model in the cloud, especially in Azure. So you can just move the infrastructure components into the cloud, but keep the same software stack. Or you can look at things like Azure SQL, which is really exciting. So with Azure SQL, there's three different models that you could use. The first one would be Azure single databases. So it is a SQL as a service model. There's no infrastructure component that you have to worry about. And all that is it's a single database that you would run as a service, and you can connect multiple applications, workloads, and servers into that database and utilize it on an as a service model. What's cool about that is that you also get the ability to scale it, without managing infrastructure. The next one would be SQL Elastic Pools. Now, what that is you get a pool of what's called DTUs, and you can run multiple instances of a database, and all that is measured by is the consumption of the DTUs. So you don't have to worry about the sizes and the amount of databases you're running. You literally are just going through the consumption. So you are being billed by the consumption and the usage of the DTUs itself. The last one, which is relatively quite new to Azure at the moment, is SQL Managed Instance. It still removes the infrastructure components of the SQL databases, but it is as close to an on-premise SQL environment that you would get.
So it would be a true lift and shift.
Very similar to a lift and shift from an on-premise SQL environment or a virtualized SQL environment onto an as-a-service model. And that's where a lot of customers are moving towards at the moment, because it doesn't disrupt as much. But there's numerous amounts of ways to look at how to migrate into some of these as-a-service models, but managed instance is probably where most customers that are running quite complex workloads would start.
Now, I know a lot of you probably wondering, what is a DTU? So DTU is data transactional units, and Microsoft actually got a cool calculator or a cool tool that you can run on your on-premise to see what the utilization on resources is, and from there it actually shows you this is what you're currently running on-prem. This is what we recommend you run as SQL in Azure.
100%.
So you don't have to do we can send you the formulas if you want to work out the DTUs. I know Matt drinks a lot of coffee trying to figure that out. More than welcome to do that, but rather just download the app, install it on your environment, and let it run and let it come back to you.
Yeah, I think the DTU calculator just makes life so much easier. It tells exactly what you want in Azure, and it's that simple.
Cool. Gal, I hope that answers your question. If not, pop us a mail, Matt a mail, and we'll be able to answer that for you.
You need more coffee. Oh, you see there's an alert there.
All right, so we normally end with a geek factor of the week. So SQL stands for Structural English Query Language and was developed at IBM. And in the 1970s, relational software, do you know who they are now? I couldn't get that right.
No.
Short name, Oracle
Oh,
Corporation.
wow.
Okay, so they saw the potential of SQL concepts, and they developed their own SQL-based RDBMS with the aspiration of selling it to the US Navy, Central Intelligence Agency, and US governments. I think those are the ones before.
Probably.
At the time.
Yeah.
Imagine if they had Azure. No, not a name. Just
Well, we've got Azure now.
So like I say, the rest is history. Guys, thank you very much for tuning in. We hope you've enjoyed the show. Please do keep sending us questions and requests. I know Matt loves answering, especially when it comes to SQL.
Yes, guys, thank you so much for watching the show. Thank you for all your support and thank you for all the emails. Please don't forget to subscribe.